Hello, and in this tutorial we're going to go over the toString method and the Getsize method. Now the Getsize method shouldn't surprise you. All the Getsize method does is return the size of the linked list. So let's go over the toString method. Now what does the toString method do? Well, the toString method is going to cycle through our linked list and is basically going to return a string with all the data in our linked list. So taking a look at this diagram, we can see header, which is referencing the dummy node. So we need to get the first data in our linked list. So how would we do that? Well, we could say header.next to go to the next node. This is the first node of our linked list. And the idea is we keep calling .next in order to keep referencing the next node in our linked list. So how do we know when we have to stop? Well, if we have our last node already, what is .next referencing? Null. So we keep going .next to go through each node until we hit null. So that's the basic idea of it. So let's get started, and let's do the Getsize method first. So let's do public int Getsize. And then we're just going to return the size of the linked list. So now let us implement the toString method. So we're going to return a string, toString. And we want to get the first node. So how did we say we did that? Well, header.next always references the first node. So we're going to say header.next. We want a string to hold our data value. And we want to keep going until we are not referencing null, until the list is empty. So how do we advance? Well, n is going to be assigned n.next. So that's our advancement. How do we store data? Well, temp is going to be assigned temp plus data. Whoops, what am I doing? It should be n.data. And we're going to have a space. toString, let's look at this. So we're putting our data. And now we're just going to return it. Return temp. And that's it. That's our toString method. Now let's actually test our linked list. So we're going to do linked list, assign new linked list. And now how do we add to our list? Well, we only did one method so far, so our list only has prepend. So let's just copy and paste a bunch of these. 2, 3, 4. And now I want to print the list out. So 4, 3, 1. So it reverses the list. I add 1 is the first one. Add 2 is the first one. Add 3 is the first one. Add 4 is the first one. So we are constantly adding to the beginning of the linked list. Let's just see if our size method is working. Get size. And you can see that the length of our linked list is 4.